We always talk about moving towards spirituality, but we never talk about moving towards life. We ask people to be spiritual, but we never ask them to live their life efficiently. So, why I'm making a video regarding fighting with suicidal thoughts is because the past events have hit so hard that I couldn't resist myself from coming up with this. तो ये चीजें होती तो पहले भी थी, but this time we all are noticing it. Maybe this is a sign that the saturation point has come and it's time to bring a change. So the title of my video is Before I start, I want to tell you all that this video is not to blame anyone. Suicidal thoughts किसी के मन में भी आ सकती है. It doesn't mean कि आप कमजोर हो तभी आपके मन में ऐसे ख्याल आ रहे हैं. It can happen with anyone. क्योंकि हर किसी की लाइफ की सिचुएशंस इतनी फेवरेबल नहीं होती कि वो उसके साथ स्मूथली डील कर सके. So first of all, just make a promise that even if you are going through this, you won't be harsh with yourself. इससे पहले मैं आपसे सुसाइडल थॉट्स के मेजर रीजंस डिस्कस करूं, आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द रूट कॉज ऑफ दिस इशू. एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड हैज अ डुअल एस्पेक्ट, जैसे पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, गुड एंड बैड, राइट एंड रॉन्ग. वैसे ही वी टू आर गाइडेड बाय टू एस्पेक्ट, माइंड एंड सोल. माइंड हमें इस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड से कनेक्टेड रखता है ताकि हम यहाँ पर इन्वॉल्व हो सके, एंड सोल हेल्प्स अस टू रियलाइज आवर ट्रू आइडेंटिटी. So in order to live life efficiently, we need to keep a balance between both the mind and the soul. पर जब इनमें imbalance create हो जाता है and we are more inclined towards the mind, तो हमारा mind हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं रहता and it starts controlling us instead. So ऐसे में we start obeying our mind like we obey our master. जैसे mind हमसे कहता है you are wrong, we say yes master. Mind हमसे कहता है that you are good for nothing, we say yes master. Mind हमसे कहता है you have no right to live, so you need to give up on this life, and we say yes master. So it is the mind which is the root cause, and before knowing how to keep a balance between both the mind and the soul, you must know the major reasons of suicidal thoughts. So the first major reason of suicidal thoughts is fear of failure. First of all, I want to ask you all that what is success and what is failure to you? If I'll ask this, all the answers won't be the same. तो इससे हमें ये पता चलता है that there is no standard set for the so-called success. और ये सिर्फ हमारे पर्सपेक्टिव पे डिपेंड करता है कि what is success and what is failure. पर हम इस चीज को इतना एक्सट्रीम पे लेके चले गए हैं that now it's harming us only. So हम सक्सेस चाहते हैं and we don't want failures at all. और जब हमें वो सक्सेस नहीं मिलती and we come across failures, we start blaming ourselves for everything. And this can also go to such an extent that हम सोचते हैं कि हम give up कर दें, not only on that thing but also on our life. In such a situation, if there are any words that can heal you, they are it's okay. It's okay if you haven't achieved success. It's okay if you couldn't fulfill all your desires. And it's okay if you failed this time. We are humans and we are allowed to make mistakes. हमें ये लाइफ सिर्फ सीखने के लिए मिली है. And no matter हमें सक्सेस मिले या फेलियर, we will eventually learn and we will eventually live. So just keep on trying, enjoy the process, trust the timing of God. If you have faith within yourself as well as God, then your wishes will never remain unanswered. The second major reason of suicidal thoughts is isolation. Psychologically, it is not good for humans to live in isolation. We humans have evolved in groups, And with time, these groups were further reduced to joint family, then to nuclear family, and now the time has come जब हम सिर्फ खुद तक restrict हो गए हैं. I know there are times जब हमें अकेले रहने की ज़रूरत है, so that we can be independent, so that we can introspect and find ourselves. But just because हम अकेले रह सकते हैं doesn't mean कि हमें अकेले ही रहना है. This doesn't mean that we have to live in isolation all the time and all our life. Why isolation can move you towards depression is because जब हम अकेले होंगे तो हमारे सभी sorrows और हमारी सभी negative emotions का burden हमें अकेले ही उठाना होगा. और when the burden becomes unbearable, so we see giving up on life as the last option. So if you share your problems with your close ones और अगर आप अपने sorrows को share करोगे, then the negative energy will spread, not giving rise to suicidal thoughts. Because ऐसे में your burden will be reduced. So just share your problems, speak your heart out, talk to your close ones or talk to anyone. Just be aware कि कितनी isolation आपको grow करने में help करेगी और कितनी isolation आपके लिए harmful हो सकती है. Just be aware if you are moving towards intellectual thinking or you are moving towards overthinking. Extend your boundaries a little more, reduce your burden, spread the energy and heal yourself. So the third major reason of suicidal thoughts is प्रॉब्लम. तो कभी कभी हमें अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी बड़ी लगने लग जाती है कि हम उससे अपनी लाइफ से भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दे देते हैं. हमें लगता है कि इफ दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व्ड देन इट्स द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. बट दिस इज नॉट द केस. जैसे एक बाढ़ या तूफान आने से ये दुनिया खत्म नहीं हो जाती, वैसे ही एक प्रॉब्लम आने से हमारी जिंदगी खत्म नहीं हो जाती. तो एक प्रॉब्लम हमारी लाइफ से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं हो सकती है. इफ एट वन एंड अ प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट, then on the other end a solution exists too. You will definitely find hope, and even if you won't, hope will definitely find you, no matter how impossible it seems. So these are the three major weapons जो कि हमारा mind use करता है in order to persuade us to end our life. But don't forget that our true self is much more powerful than our mind. We humans have a great tendency to heal with time, and no matter how hard the situation is, the desire to live overpowers everything. With every problem comes a solution. So this big issue which I've been discussing has a solution too. तो इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए मैं आपको 3 solutions देना चाहूंगी. The first solution will help you if you are already stuck in this and you are mentally ill. The second solution will help you fight with the root cause of this issue. And the third solution is the core solution, in which not just one, but we all humans need to be involved. So let's talk about the first solution. तो अभी तक मैंने आपसे जो कुछ भी कहा वो सब प्रिकॉशनरी था, और ये इंसान को सिर्फ तब तक समझ आएगा जब तक he is not trapped in it. But the solution is for those who are already trapped and the situation is getting worse. It might be you or it might be your close one. If it's you, then you must seek help. No matter you like it or not, just share and speak your heart out. You can go to your close one, you can go to someone whom you expect will understand you, or you can talk to anyone. Words have a great power of healing. But even if you feel that words are not able to help you and the situation is getting worse, then you must visit a psychiatrist without any hesitation. You are not alone, my friend, and seeking help won't make you weak. Nobody will judge you, nobody will deny helping you, and nobody will let you suffer alone. पर अगर आपको फिर भी ये लगता है कि आपके साथ कोई नहीं है, nobody is able to understand you, nobody is helping you, then just remember that you always have the last resort, and that is God. जिसका कोई नहीं, उसका रब. You are not alone. He's always there by your side, protecting you from all the evil. So if it's your close one or someone you know is going through this mental illness, then what you can do is just be there. Be there no matter what. Be there with all your patience till you bring that person out of it. It might be difficult, but it's possible. You can be the healer the world is seeking. So let's move to the second solution. तो ये वो सोल्यूशन है जो इस प्रॉब्लम के रूट कॉज को ही खत्म कर देगा. तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में कभी आओ ही ना, then what you need is balance. बैलेंस बिटवीन द माइंड एंड द सोल। हमारी लाइफ बहुत से पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, और अगर हम देखेंगे तो हमारा एक दिन भी बहुत से पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, जैसे वर्किंग, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग एक्सेट्रा। और अगर हम एक पार्ट को जरूरत से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे देन देयर विल बी इम्बैलेंस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम कहें कि हमें पूरे दिन सिर्फ काम करना है एंड फॉर दैट वी विल स्किप ईटिंग, वी विल स्किप स्लीपिंग, देन आवर बॉडी विल बी इम्बैलेंस्ड एंड इट विल बी हार्मफुल फॉर अस। तो वैसे ही हमें अपनी लाइफ को भी बैलेंस्ड रखना है और हर एक पार्ट को उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है जितनी की उसे जरूरत हो। इफ यू आर फीडिंग योर माइंड, यू नीड टू फीड योर सोल टू। इफ यू स्पेंड ऑल योर डे feeding your body with food, work and sleep, then you must feed your soul with peace, contentment and happiness. If you work, you need to relax also. If you spend time with yourself, then you must spend time with your close ones too. If you give importance to your career, then you must not forget that you have a life other than that too. So everything in life needs a balance. To enhance this process, you can practice yoga and meditation ताकि आपकी बॉडी और सोल रिलैक्स कर पाए और इस वर्ल्ड से डिस्कनेक्ट कर पाए। By doing this, you may feel that the things you were giving so much importance to weren't that important, and nobody can harm you in this world if you are aware of your true self. So let's move to the next solution, which is the core solution. तो ये वो सोल्यूशन है जिसमें सिर्फ एक को नहीं पर हम सबको इन्वॉल्व होना है, एंड दिस सोल्यूशन इज काइंडनेस टुवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ एंड टुवर्ड्स द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। बीइंग काइंड टुवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ won't let you harm yourself to such an extent, and by being kind towards others, we won't let other people harm themselves to such an extent. We all are the creations of God, and we all have the right to have peace and happiness. We must understand each other. We must not judge each other, as we have no idea what the other person is going through, as we have no idea that maybe the other person is shattered to such an extent that your words will be enough to break them apart. So speak the language of kindness and spread the essence of love, for this kindness and love may heal the broken souls, for this kindness and love may move them towards light. Before putting an end to this video, I won't give you a baggage but just a responsibility to ask yourself and to your close ones, are you fine? If every one of us will do this, then nobody will left who will find himself alone in this battle of life. तो अगर आपको इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, you can drop that in the comment section, and even if you don't have, share this video as much as possible so that we all can move towards the awareness we need.